we understand about the axial joint, and there is two categories. So it is categorized into the inner joint and the outer joint. Okay. So inner joint, we understand it will only display the record where the joint condition satisfied. But in case of the outer joint, it will display the satisfied, unsatisfied, like we can say that matching and unmatching detail. Okay, let's start with the inner joint. We understand this in a detail. So inner joint is further divided into the category. So that is the theta joint, natural joint, and equijoint. The example of the inner joint. So what we have, like let's consider the table A and table B, and there should be one column whose value is matching, and like if it want to join the two tables, so there should be at least one matching column. On the basis of that column, we can combine the detail, right? If you want to combine the student detail with the fees detail of the student, so how we can relate the record, how we can access the fees detail? In that case, there should be the attribute. Roll number can be there. With the help of roll number, we can identify the student, right? So now the thing is, in case of inner joint, we are comparing that matching attribute of the both table. Is this equal? If it is equal, there is a matching. So all cross product, Cartesian product of that only filter query will be displayed. Okay. So like here we have the example. We have the A value is 1, 2, 4, and in another table value of A is 2, 3, 5. So which one is the matching? So first there we as I told you, join with the Cartesian product, cross product. So cross product will be performed. What's the cross product? Like every row of the table 1 is combined with all rows of the table 2. Okay, so first Cartesian product will be performed. Okay, then if there is the matching of the both column, so that record will be displayed. Only that record will be displayed, right? So that's the inner joint. Now we have the category here. First one is the equijoint, theta joint, and natural joint. In case of equijoint, we use the compare equal symbol. In case of theta joint, we use the conditional joint, like other condition other than equal symbol.